In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to grade students using Microsoft Excel. Excel is an excellent tool for teachers and educators because it allows you to organize scores, calculate totals, and automatically determine grades all in one place. By the end of this video, you will know how to set up a grading system that is both efficient and easy to use. First, open a new Excel worksheet. Start by creating a table with headings such as Student Name, Assignment 1, Assignment 2, Midterm, Final Exam, Total, and Grade. This structure will help you organize the student's scores clearly. Next, input the scores for each student under the corresponding columns. Make sure all the numbers are entered correctly because accurate data is essential for calculating grades automatically. After entering the scores, it's time to calculate the total for each student. Click on the first cell under the total column and type a formula to sum all the relevant scores. For example, you can use equals sum B2 to E2 if your scores are in columns B through E for the first student. Press Enter and then drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to all students in the table. Once the totals are calculated, you can assign letter grades based on your grading scale. Click on the first cell under the grade column and use the if function to determine the grade. For instance, you might type equals if F2 greater than 90, A, if F2 greater than 80, B, if F2 greater than 70, C, if F2 greater than 60, D, F. This formula will automatically assign the correct letter grade based on the total score. After entering the formula for the first student, use the fill handle to apply it to all other students. Now Excel will automatically calculate and assign grades for everyone based on their total scores. Finally, you can format your table to make it easier to read. Use bold headers, borders, and color coding to highlight top performers or failing students. This visual formatting helps you quickly assess the class performance at a glance. And that's it. You now know how to grade students using Microsoft Excel, from entering scores to calculating totals and assigning letter grades automatically. This method saves time and ensures accuracy in your grading process. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.